We have this problem from Indian Junior Mathematics Olympiad 2019. Problem state, in a adjoining figure, ABCD is a square of side 10 centimeter each. Quadrilaterals are drawn with each vertex of the square as center. Find the area of the shaded portion. We are supposed to take the value of root 3 as well as pi. So we have this ABCD, a square. The length of its side is 10 centimeter. Letting the center be, we have drawn this quadrant, and letting center be, we have drawn this quadrant AC. So this figure is formed. Similarly, on taking the A and C as the centers, we are drawn the quadrants. So this portion is find out. Now we are supposed to find out the area of this shaded portion. So we shall first draw a rough figure. This is our square ABCD. This is square ABCD, and we are drawn the quadrants. First quadrant, then second quadrant. From this vertices C and from vertices A, these quadrants are drawn. Instead of finding the area of this inner portion or the shaded portion, we will find out these areas, this area as well as this area, this area and this area, and then we shall subtract the area of all these four portions from the area of the square, so that we will get the area of the shaded portion. So I am joining these 2 points. Now this area is divided into the 2 parts. That is, I calculate this area, this part's area first of all we shall calculate, and we will multiply this area by 8 so that the area of all these 4 parts can be obtained. Then by subtracting it from the area of the square, we will get the required area. So look over here, this is of 10 centimeter. This was of 10 centimeter length. It is a symmetrical figure, therefore this length will be 5 centimeter. Let us mark some more point. Draw a perpendicular from this point on the side BC, like this point is E and this point is F. So first of all, this length CE will be of 10 centimeter because this is the radius of this quadrant. So in triangle FCE, I am letting this angle as theta. That is, if angle FCE is theta, let angle FCE equals to theta. So if I calculate sine theta in this triangle, then sine theta will be perpendicular. So this side EF upon the hypotenuse is EC. EF will be similar or will be equal to this side length 5. So 5 divided by EC is the radius, so 10. So sine theta comes half. This means theta is of 30 degree. Now this angle we have calculated, this angle is 30 degree. If we calculate cos 30 in that triangle, so cos 30 will be base will be CF upon hypotenuse is CE. Cos 30 is root 3 upon 2 equals to CF we need to calculate, and this is 10. We cancelled it from 5 times, so CF is 5 root 3. Now CF is calculated, this is 5 root 3. So this balance length will be 10 minus 5 root 3. This is the length of BF, 5 root 3, and BF will be same as this EG equals to EG or GE. These two lengths will be equal in length. We are observing that EGBC is a trapezium. EGBC is a trapezium. So first we shall calculate the area of EGBC. We know that the area of the trapezium is half times sum of parallel sides. Sum of parallel side means GE plus BC, sum of parallel side, into the perpendicular distance between these two sides, it will be BG. So it is half times, this is 10 minus 5 root 3. BG length is 10 and its length is 5. So 1 upon 2 times, this is 20, 25 ja 100 minus 25 root 3. So it is 50 minus 25 root 3 value we are given 1.73 divided by 2. So it is coming out to be 50 minus 1.73 divided by 2 will be 21.625, and on subtracting this from 50 we will get 28.375. We have calculated the area of this trapezium. Now look, this part, this angle is 30 degree. We shall calculate the area of this part, means BCEB. So we need some space. So I'll rub this. Now area of circular part, area of BCEB. Area of part is theta upon 360 into pi r square. Theta is 30 upon 360 pi 3.14 we are given. Radius was 10. So 10 into 10, it is coming out to be 26.166. So area of that part means this area of this triangle, this circular part we have calculated. Now we shall find this area, this much area. Area of GBEG. Area GBEG. It will be 28.375 minus 26.166. So this area is coming out to be 2.209. So this area we have calculated. Similarly, there are 8 such areas. So area of unshaded part, it will be 8 times of this number, 2.209 times 8. So it is 17.67. So this area we have now calculated, these areas, unshaded part area in the figures. All these 4 areas which are not shaded I have calculated. So the area of the shaded part will be 17.672. So area of unshaded part, area of shaded part, portion, shaded part of portion equals to square the area of the square minus this figure 17.672. So it is 100 minus 17.672. On subtraction, this will become 82.328. So which is the required area that we are supposed to calculate.